In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Subaru Impreza key fob. This device was used since 2015 all the way up to present day, and it takes just one of these CR2032 batteries to run. If you want to pick one of these up online, I'll leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Come right to your door, and then you can just follow along and get this thing done super easily. The first step here is just to turn this device over to the back, hold down this silver button, and then we will remove the internal key. As you can see, I don't have the key right now, but you will just remove the internal key and set it to the side. And then looking at the area that the key just came from, here we have the keyhole. Right above it, there's another little parallel slot. See, here's the keyhole, and then we're going in right here. Insert your flathead screwdriver into that area and just twist. You can hear a little popping sound, and that is the back of this device coming off. So now I'm just going to continue working through that opening that I just made, twisting, until the back comes off, nice and easily. Set that to the side. And now you can just remove this or kind of dump it out gently. Set this down for now. Here we have the circuit board and the battery component. So I'm just going to hold this on the sides. I don't want to touch the back there. Any of that delicate stuff there. And what we're going to do is use the same flathead screwdriver and come in with the corner of the screwdriver right in between the battery and the plastic housing. So just pushing in and then applying a little bit of pressure and kind of twisting, the battery will pop right out. And here is our CR2032 battery. Again, if you want to pick one of these up, I will leave a link down in the description for you to get one. Probably like the cheapest price available. It's just a couple bucks on Amazon. So when you have your battery, make sure this positive side with the text goes face up. And you want to push it down towards the bottom part here first, line that up, and then click the top in. If you do it the other way around, get the top in first, it won't move, like you'll be pushing really hard and it's not going to come in. So just down and then click the top. Picking up the back of the device here, you can see that little image of the battery there. We're going to set the battery right on top of that with the circuit board facing up. And when you're handling this part, be careful, because if I were to just turn this over, this rubber component would fall out, and so would these little buttons, this little piece of plastic for the buttons. So what we want to do is kind of just put them together gently and carefully, click it back together. You can put your key back inside, and that is it. You can just make sure the light turns on, make sure you did everything right, and you are good to go. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let us know in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any key fob for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.